Pinapayagan ko lamang sa barkada kong taga ibang bansa. Oh! Lagatak!
Yes, Lagatak.
Hello, my friend!
Yes, my friend.
Where are you, my friend?
I'm here in Mercedes, my friend. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Where are you now?
Where are you? Misibis?
Yes, I'm here in Mercedes.
What are you doing there?
I'm lakaw-lakaw here.
Lakaw-lakaw here? Very good?
Very good.
No
No nice.
nice.
Yes. So come, follow me.
And subscribe!
Yes, like and share.
Like and share.
Yes,
Kuya Col.
very good.
Kuya Col and Kuya Bon?
So come on now. Please subscribe and follow me.
I'm tired.
Your time. I have an extra tire. Tire of what kind of tire? Motorcycle, vehicle, or
No tire, no tire.
no tire?
It's slow down, it's slow down.
It's not a front area.
Because the motor is
Very robust. Very robust.
landslider.
Landslide, very good.
Yes.
Nice English, my friend.
Yes.
So how are you doing right now?
Oh, I'm standing in front of you, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kuya Col. Are you okay? All right.
Rock and roll to the world, baby.
Yes, it's showtime.
What are you doing right now? Once again, what are you doing right now?
I'm standing here in front of you, ladies and gentlemen. What are you laughing, my friend?
Because I'm so very smiley. Smiley, my friend.
Oh, it's very cold here.
Yes, you make me happy, my friend.
I'm here in Baguio City.
Baguio City?
Baguio City.
Where is the pine tree, my friend?
Here. Too much tree.
Huh?
Too much tree.
Too much.
Yes.
You make me happy, my friend. You know why? You know why?
Overflow.
Overflow, my friend. Overloading.
The truck is going.
Yeah, it's going down and up.
Yes. How about my plane?
Your friend is your backpack is putol.
Putol.
Yeah.
Ay. Why putol?
You need to welding, my friend.
Welding.
Yes.
Welding shop.
Yes. How about my helicopter, my friend?
Helicopter. Very good.
Very good.
Yes.
So very cool, my friend, here in Misibis, Bagkakayalban. So if you want to go right now, go now, go.
No, I'm here in Baguio City.
Oh my God.
I call Sanggoko. Transform.
Prisa, come on, Prisa.
Magimo!